بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Hello brothers, sisters, how are you? In today's lesson I would like to show you how we can make marking or labeling for our finished structures. As you see here, we finished this structure and we marked them. As you see, the company logo, then project name, location, item number, weight and length, and whatever we want we can put without any problem. So as you see here, just like this, you see this is this tagging, and this also, you see. So how we can make this one each with the required information. If we make this one manually, it will take a lot of time. So what we make, as you see here, this is the assembly list we exported from Advanced Steel, and we will work here a little bit, and after that we will go to Microsoft Word, because this by using Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, this lesson. So the first of all, I don't need all of these things. I will delete them just like this. This is an empty column. I will delete it. The information that I need marks, description, length and total weight, and the quantity I don't need it. Here the total surface I don't need it as well. Delete. Here this I don't need it, because if it exists it will take some cells later. I will delete them, and any empty cell I will delete it. If we have many empty cells, we can use find for this and delete it, just like this. Delete this one again, delete, and the last thing is delete. Okay, so as you see here, the description, the length as well, I don't need this one. I'll do it. So we have something like this. We want to put here. Okay, this is only one, so I can delete this one as well. If you want to delete some of the items, you can, or otherwise you can leave it like this. Okay, so if I bring it into the middle like this, after that, as you see here, this is 0, 0, this is 0.5, and I don't want to be like it gives me 0.5. So what I'm doing, I say this cell, it equals to integer to this cell. Okay, integer for this one. As you see, after that, just like this, because this one, anything which is less than 0.5 kilos, it will gives me 0. So I will delete this one. I don't need it because it's the washer. I know because it's my project, so I know this is the washer plate. I don't want to put marks on it. And after that, what I'm doing, I just select everything and bring it like this. After that, right click, copy, bring it back to this column, just like this, and right click, paste value. Okay, again, I don't need this one anymore. If I want to put any extra data, I can put it here in these columns as well, without any problem. After that, I will say save. I'll save the file. The file is here. Okay, and after that, I will go to Word, Microsoft Word, and open a new project. And from here, I will go to mailing, and I will go to the start mailing merge. I want to make labels. Okay, I want to make labels. For the labels, it will open up a new window, just like this. We have many of these. If it's suitable for you, you can choose it. Otherwise, I say other and custom. I customize this one. I will go to the details, For the details, what I have only the margin, only 1 millimeter. This one is 65, the width of it 65, or I can make it maybe if I put more, let's say 75. You see, 75 times 3, because I have 3. You see, 1, 2, 3. I have 3. 65 times 3. If I say OK, it will give me this error message because it's more than the required. So I will say, let's say 67, the width of the label, each label, and after that here the horizontal pitch, the others, the paper size, which is A4. I will say OK. Yeah, now it's OK without any problem, and I will say OK. As you see now, this fits the required height. If I want to make this one, I have to increase the height as well. If I go back, Control Z, go back and make labels. Here I go to details. Here maybe this one 33. Let's say 37. We see. Yeah, 37 also it works. So this is 37 by 67. I will say OK, and you see now this area became less. And if I want to make it more, I think let me come back again by Control Z. If I say 45, we see, yeah, 45 has a problem. So 42 has a problem. 40 again. So let's say 38 or 39 maybe. Okay, 39 as well. Problem 38. Let's say 36. Yeah, 36 is okay. So now this this is the one that we created. Okay. After that, what I'm going to do, I will go to select recipient, and I will use an existing list. I did all the steps below, so it can fit the paper. And I'll go to this desktop, the file where I saved the file. As you see here, I have one sheet. If I have 2, 3 sheets, it will bring it from here. I'll say OK. As you see here, just like this. After that, what I'm doing, I will write the required information. For example, project number or project name, whatever you want. Project name, location, and item name, length and weight. I want to put colon and for each one, so it will show me just like this. Yeah, and after that, what I'm doing, as you see here, the weight is go down. So what I want to do now, I want to select everything. You see, but first let's bring the data, the project. Let's say warehouses, the project name, whatever you want to put, warehouse, or location. I'll say Iraq. Erbil. For the item name, it should bring from this list. Let me open the Microsoft Excel. It will work with this. So this is the item name, this is the section, this is the length, this is the total weight. I can put this one as well. Let me just bring yeah, just like this, so it gives me the total weight with this one. Okay, so for the item name, this one I have to insert fields, field merge. For the item name we have mark, for the length we have length, and of course I will put mm for millimeters, and this one for the weight I will say total weight, and space kg. And after that, what I'm doing, I will put my logo here. So I will go to home and insert and insert a picture from this device, and I will go to the location of the file that I save it. This one, this is the logo I want to put it, just like this. Here I have to change this one in front of the text, and we see as you see what I can do. I can just click and remove space after paragraph just to locate everything in correct position and bring it here. And after that, I will go to mail. I will go back mailing, and I will say update label. And of course, I want to show the result. Preview the result. You see now everything is named C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. The data is it took from this point. For example, this is C4. So C4, which is the length of it 6.145, and the total weight is 883. You see, and let's go back to go to the other another thing. For example, let's go to CT3. Okay, CT3. So we have CT3. CT3 we have CT3. The length is 5.315, and the total weight is 6110. And 6110. As you see here, this is the total weight, and here how we could make this one. If we want to put the lines between them, so I'll just select this one, right? Go to home page, and from here you can go to the border, make borders for them, just like this. And after that, what I'm doing, I'll go to the mailing again, and I will go to finish and merge, print document. I'll say all, and from I will choose a Microsoft PDF. I'll say OK, or I can directly print it here, no problem. Okay, I will go to Microsoft project. Let's say name it as labels, and save it. After that, we will finish up to this one can export, or Microsoft can export this one, and later on we will open the file. I don't need this one. I will open the file, and we will go back to here, labels, the location that we create the files. As you see here, we have all of these labels we could make. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8 that we choose. If we want to put more, we can put more without any problem, or we can go to the last one. And if you go to if you go back to the here, we can instead of 8, we can make whatever we want. Okay, so this is for today. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.